Onboarding in our cybersecurity program is quick and easy with dynamically generated questionnaires, auto-generated action plans in the form of policies. We can quickly scan external assets for vulnerabilities and track our cybersecurity posture score and benchmarks. And we can begin with the onboarding questionnaire. These are general in nature and reflect the high-level architecture of your organization. Once the onboarding is complete, we can move into our action plans. Here in the portal, we'll go over to assessments. The action plans are based off our industry and regulations that we must comply with. In this scenario, we are a healthcare-based organization and we have selected the NIST-based controls and HIPAA compliance frameworks. These options give us about 20 or so sections for us to assess. And here we are looking at another completed demo client dashboard. Once all the assessments are complete, our dashboard is then populated with our assessment and scan results. We can see here where we are and what our priorities might be. We have a lot going on in this dashboard, so let's look at a couple sections. All right, back in the dashboard, I'm going to take a scroll down here to the scores profile. The scores profile lists all the different sections in which we have assessed our environment. Here we can see in dark blue, that's our current score. The light blue is our target score. For instance, let's look at Active Directory. Our current score is 1.8 and our target score is 9. Let's dig in and see how we can improve our Active Directory score. Now let's start improving our Active Directory score. Let's click on Tasks, and I want to filter that policy down to Active Directory. Now that we have these filtered and sorted by severity, we've got a few critical ones here. Let's look at disabling SMB v1. Let's open that up and see if we can get some more detail. Okay, yes, we know that SMB v1 is extremely vulnerable with many exploits. Models provided a standard operating procedure to go and get a detection or how to disable that feature as part of this control. I'll go ahead and set this to in progress and get a change control request ready for deployment. Once again in the dashboard, I'd like to be able to download that full report so I can give that to senior leadership and show them our progress against the different systems and controls that we've been working on putting in place, trying to improve our score. You can also look at the task progress. Got 238 tasks to do. It's quite a big list, so I may want to filter that down either by policy, maybe workstation. And lastly, I wanted to show off that report. It gives a nice report that you can download and share with senior leadership. Gives all the different details about our current score against our benchmarks, radar charts, scan summaries, critical, high, medium, and low scores. And you'll have access to this for 12 months to track your progress on your cybersecurity program. You can also leverage Model's expertise to help accelerate your cyber operations.